Good morning, students. I hope you all are well at your home and doing your studies also. Today it is your computer class for class 8, chapter 1, and chapter name is computer networking, and it is your revision class for chapter 1 for your upcoming exams. So in chapter 1 we have discussed about computer networking. So what is computer networking? Computer networking is when two or more computers or two or more devices are connected together, then we call it computer networking. जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा डिवाइसेस आपस में कनेक्टेड होती हैं, चाहे वो कोई प्रिंटर हो या कोई कंप्यूटर हो या स्कैनर हो, तो हम वहाँ पे उसे नेटवर्किंग बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजीज. सो there are four type of network topologies. First is bus topology, second one is star topology, third is mesh topology, and fourth one is ring topology. And so many other type of topologies are also there, like hybrid topology or tree topologies. So these all are the type of topologies. जो टोपोलॉजी हम यूज़ करते हैं उसी टाइप की नेटवर्किंग हम अप्लाई करते हैं. थर्ड टॉपिक वाज protocols. So what is protocol? Protocols are some set of rules which a device have to follow for in a networking. कोई भी जो डिवाइस है, अगर उसे नेटवर्किंग के साथ कनेक्ट करना है और अगर एक डेटा को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजना है, तो उसके लिए बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे सेट ऑफ रूल्स हैं जिन्हें फॉलो करना होता है. सो दीज सेट ऑफ रूल्स आर कॉल्ड प्रोटोकॉल्स. Next is www. So www is the World Wide Web. There are lots of websites in www. बहुत सारी ऐसी वेबसाइट्स होती हैं जिन्हें हम ओपन कर सकते हैं, सर्च कर सकते हैं. तो जो सारी वेबसाइट्स हैं वो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब में होती हैं. एंड वेबसाइट, व्हाट इज वेबसाइट्स? वेबसाइट्स आर द सेट ऑफ सम वेब पेजेस. तो वेब पेजेस से मिलके वेबसाइट बनती है, और वेबसाइट्स जहाँ होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं www, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर. कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर इज द जियोग्राफिकल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डिवाइसेस इन अ नेटवर्क. एक नेटवर्क में डिवाइसेस कैसे कैसे कहाँ कहाँ रखी जाएगी, क्या उनका जियोग्राफिकल अरेंजमेंट होगा, उसे हम कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर बोलते हैं. Next is different network devices. So there are some network devices which help us to connect the network, like hub, bridge, switch, network interface card. So these all are the network devices जिनका यूज हम करते हैं to connect the network. Topic is types of computer networking. So there are three type of computer network. First one is LAN, that is local area network. Second one is MAN, that is wide area network. And third one is WAN, that is wide area network. So there are three type of networking. LAN is used for connect the networking in small areas like in a building or a room. जब हमें एक रूम में या किसी बिल्डिंग में नेटवर्किंग कनेक्ट करनी है तो हम लैन का यूज़ करते हैं. अगर हमें एक सिटी में नेटवर्क कनेक्ट करना है तो हम वहाँ पे मैन का यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. एंड थर्ड वन इज़ वैन, दैट इज़ वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. अगर हमें पूरे वर्ल्ड में कनेक्टिविटी एस्टेब्लिश करनी है तो हम वैन का यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क इज़ इंटरनेट. Next topic is threats of network security. So there are some threats of network security like viruses, worms, spywares, adwares, phishing, hacking. So these all are the threats of network security जो network security को harm पहुंचाते हैं. जैसे वायरस है, वायरस से कोई भी किसी भी सिस्टम को हैक करके कोई भी नुकसान पहुंचा सकते हैं. या ट्रोजन हॉर्स होते हैं जो अपने आप को रेप्लिकेट कर लेते हैं, फिर हमारा जो कंप्यूटर होता है उसकी मेमोरी फुल हो जाती है. सो दीज ऑल आर द viruses, type of viruses. Adwares, spywares. Spywares are like some fake calls or some fake emails. So these all are the threats of network security. Now some security solutions. Security solutions are like antivirus, anti-spywares, firewalls. These all are the security solutions. By the help of these security solutions, we can save our network from security threats. Like firewall से हम हमारे नेटवर्क में एक ऑथेंटिकेशन एस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं कि जो लोग ऑथेंटिकेट हैं या जो लोग जिनके पास आईडी पासवर्ड है वो ही लोग अंदर एंटर कर पाएँ, बाकी सब अंदर नहीं एंटर कर पाएँ. सो हम इस तरीके के ऑथेंटिकेशन अप्लाई करके अपनी नेटवर्किंग को सेव कर सकते हैं. So these all are the topics which we have discussed in our last classes, and now there are some questions. These questions are based on your chapter. We are doing these questions. These are some practice questions, and you have to do these questions in your notebook also. So there are some questions. Question number 1 is, a computer acts as a server that sends request for information in the form of data signal. So the answer is false. Question number 2, protocol dictate the standard of data exchange. So answer is, option is true or false. So the answer is true. Next question, a dash is a separate computer system that contains the information and other resources needed by client. Option is A server, B host, C port, and D hub. So the answer is server, because server is a separate computer system that contain information of and other resources needed by the client. जो भी resources या जो भी information client को ज़रूरत होती है, अगर सर्वर से कनेक्टेड हैं तो सर्वर से वो सारे resources provide करता है. Next question is, the structure of a computer network consists of multiple dash that control the transmission of data. So the option is host, client, server, and node. The answer is node. The structure of a computer network consists of multiple nodes that control the transmission of data. Next question. The dash is the largest WAN in the world, linking millions of computers together. Email, World Wide Web, Internet, social media. So the answer is Internet. Internet is the largest WAN in the world. Next question. A WAN that is spread across a large region is created with physical connection or with the use of radio waves. So options are true or false. So the answer is true, because WAN is spread across the large region is created with physical connection and with radio waves. Next question is, WANs are found in home with a single administrator. True or false? So answer is false, because WAN is not for single administration. Next question. A dash is often a privately owned data network extending to a distance up to 100 km. Options are MAN, PAN, LAN and WAN. So the answer is LAN. If we want to connect network in distance up to 100 km, then we use MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. Next question is, depending on the size of a network, multiple devices may contribute in the transfer of data. True or false? So the answer is false. Next, a dash is a physical device that directs the electrical signal towards other connected system. Options are hub, switch, bridge, router. So the answer is hub, because hub is a physical device that direct the electrical signal to the other connected systems. Next question. The function of a switch is very similar to the hub. True or false? So the answer is true. Next question. In a dash network, a switch displays a higher transmission speed than a hub. Options are LAN, Ethernet, wireless, internet. So the answer is Ethernet, because Ethernet में क्या होता है, Ethernet में जो आपका स्विच होता है वो उसकी स्पीड जो होती है वो ज़्यादा होती है, हायर स्पीड को वो डिस्प्ले करता है Ethernet में. So next question. A network card is used to connect a computer network to other network, and hence it is useful in building a network infrastructure. True or false? So the answer is true. Next question. Threats exist on every computer network that can endanger the integrity and safety of your computer system. True or false? So the answer is true, because threats are always damage the safety of computer system. Next question is, firewall can track the information you may submit on the internet or even monitor your online activity. True or false? So answer is false, because firewall didn't track the information you may submit. It only allow the authorized user to the network. Next question. If a program is not allowed in a computer system as configured beforehand, the dash prevent its entry. So the options are virus, firewall, spyware, network. So the answer is firewall. Next question. Dash is often targeted to gather sensitive data such as your bank account information. Options are antivirus, adware, networking and hacking. So the answer is D. Hacking. Hacking is often targeted to gather sensitive data such as a bank account. Next question. A spyware is malicious application designed to spy on your computer. It is true. Next, a firewall is a software tool that monitor the network traffic and restrict the access of dash or programs. Options are administrator, authorized user, basic user, unauthorized user. So the answer is अनऑथोराइज यूज़र, क्योंकि फायरवॉल क्या करता है, फायरवॉल मॉनिटर करता है नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक को और रेस्ट्रिक्ट करता है कि कोई भी अनऑथोराइज यूज़र नेटवर्क में एंटर नहीं कर पाए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डैश computers infected with malware are often sent to sabotage of a website. So the options are unknown, authorized, client and zombie. So the answer is zombie. Zombies are some infected virus which are sent to our website intentionally to damage some content. So these all are the questions which you have to do in your notebook also. Do all the revision work questions in your notebook. I will share these questions with answer in your class group. Do all the work in Interleaf notebook. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you so much.